Hello family, welcome to my channel. This is Mimi Leader TV. Thank you so much guys once again for clicking. So guys, today I'm taking you to repair the air condition of my car. So guys, you know, parking a car down for a very long time, the moment you bring it out, you have a lot of things to do or to fix on it. So this is me going to the garage to get my car air condition fixed because it was only blowing hot air. I think because the car is European use, so sometimes you get the heat out and also the cold out. So that was my problem. And then boom, I found this mechanics or this place. Their name is Johanny. They are located at Kukumlimli, a very beautiful place, nice service. They have Wi-Fi, they have everything. So the guy is very good. He is explaining here what exactly he is going to do on the car. So as you can see, he first tests the car to see if my AC gas is okay, but it ended up failed. So they had to empty the one that was in, meaning what they put in previously does not match, or maybe it got finished. So they had to empty the last one under, and then yes, they will fill it up for a new one. So this is we at Johanny. It's a very beautiful place. I got their contact from Code Mickey TV. Thank you so much, Code Mickey, for posting these people because they saved my car. Yes, so thank you so much, Code. And yes, so as you can see, me, my brothers, and my dad, we first went to Nissan, but they were insisting for me to leave the car till the next day before I could pick it up for them to be able to do the AC. And I'm like, okay, there is no need leaving my car behind because of my AC problem. So I called these people through Code Mickey TV, and then they were available for me to come, and it took me like 30 minutes there. The guys are so fast, their machines, everything is on point. So from here you can see he first emptied my gas, and then he gauged exactly what gas, how much gas will be going into the car, and he put it in a machine. So when it gets to that gauge, the machine will automatically stop by itself. So that is the process what the guy is doing. I'll leave the video so that you listen to what he explains by himself during the process. So yes, thank you guys once again for clicking. If this is your first time stopping by, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel because I'm going to be posting as much as I can. So guys, subscribe, like, and share the video for me to bring you more updates. Yes, so this is when he started with putting the gas out of the car and also putting it back in. So yes, watch it from here. Thank you.
Bravo, show me. I put your name. See how this one is going fast.
Okay, so when it gets to 400, then it stops. The mini is okay.
Yes, please. And then when it's falling to, and then it gets to its own maximum that you want to, you can also stop. Sometimes it's really put a mood as a mommy, good. Mommy, good. Good, you know.
And then she's a master software coming.
Yeah. Hold on, put another one in.
What are you doing?
You can't do that for me.
Oh, okay. Yes, sure.